have some time in between treatments, I would like to talk to you about our HIFU machine, because we have so many people asking similar questions. So I thought I would jump on here quickly and share some insight, especially today's question was very interesting, and I thought, you know what, this is a good opportunity for me to jump online and do some insight, some education about HIFU, because the question that was asked, I guess many people assume that the deeper the HIFU is, the better your results are going to be, because my client this morning asked me, how deep does your HIFU device reach, meaning the layers of the skin? And I did explain, even though we have the Liftera reaches 4.5 millimeters, we don't use this depth on absolutely everyone, and there is a valid reason. So when we're doing a skin assessment, firstly, let's talk about the goals for HIFU. It is made as a lifting and tightening treatment to lift and tighten underneath the epidermis. So we bypass the epidermis, and we're going to be working with your dermal layer and your SMAS layer. So what we will be doing is, I guess, doing controlled damage into these areas by shooting ultrasound energy into those layers. We're going to do so much shots in one treatment session that it's going to force the body to create collagen. So we are rebuilding your collagen stores, because as you know, once you reach 30 plus, your collagen stores start dropping, unfortunately. So what we're doing is rebuilding those collagen stores. For that to heal, your body needs to make collagen. So we are doing two things. We are tightening and lifting immediately through heat. And number two, we are going to tighten and lift furthermore in the coming weeks and months as your body starts to create more and more collagen as the time goes on. But this treatment does not give you results immediately after, so it does take some time for the results to show. I would say usually 6 to 8 weeks after your second session is when you can start seeing some results, but sometimes you need to wait for the 3 complete sessions to see results. So back to talking about the different depths. So every depth will treat a different layer into your skin. Depending on how thick your skin is will depend on what depth we'll be using for your skin, because if we use a depth that's too deep and you don't have much tissue, then we can melt a bit of the tissue or the fat stores, and that has an actual aging effect. So all our practitioners here are experts in HIFU with a lot of training, and our clinic is owned by me, which I have a nursing background, and my partner is a doctor. So we have medical background, and our therapists here are very qualified in HIFU technology, and we use one of the only FDA TGA approved devices worldwide, and that is the Liftera 2. So if you'd like to do your own research, you can do that. But again, don't ask about depth when I guess wondering which device you should be choosing, because it is a valid question to shop around and to ask questions from different clinics, because everybody uses different technologies. But I would say always ask which machine they are using, because this is how you can do your research to ensure that you're going to guarantee not only your results but your safety as well.